Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Dear students, today we'll start a new chapter from your Sunbeams English Literature book, and it's your chapter number 14, The Nightingale, and it is written by Hans Christian Andersen. So, dear, before starting your chapter, I'll tell you something about the author first. So, Hans Christian Andersen was born on 2nd April 1805 and died in 4 August 1875. He was a Danish author and poet. He is recognized around the world for his beloved books, including The Ugly Duckling, Thumbelina, The Little Match Girl, The Princess and the Pea, and many others. So let's start the chapter now. It's a short story about the nightingale who sings melodiously. Melodiously means sweetly. Story begins with, long time ago in China there lived a king. In his palace there was a beautiful garden which ended near a dense forest. All over from the world, travelers came there and praised the beautiful garden and king's palace. There the travelers heard the song of Nightingale, and they said that it was the best of all. This news was heard by the king, that there was a bird who sings so sweetly that everybody praised its voice, and ordered servants to bring that bird before him. But they didn't know where to find the nightingale. Then a little girl who worked in the royal kitchen said that she knew where this bird lived. She told them the nightingale was lived in the dense forest, and whenever she get tired, she went there to relax herself. Now, they found the nightingale in the forest. After seeing it, they said it looked dull. How can it sing so sweetly? They took the nightingale to the palace. The nightingale sings in front of the king. After listening its melodious voice, the king had tears in his eyes, and then he ordered to keep the nightingale in a golden cage. The nightingale's voice became so famous that the people used to take its name Nightin and Gale as a way of greeting each other. Now, one day the king received a parcel, and on it was written the nightingale. Inside the parcel there was a golden nightingale which sang same tune for 30 times, and it starts with a golden key which was there inside the parcel. The king thought it to show to the real nightingale, but the real one was flown away, and he was not even bothered about it. A whole year passed by, and suddenly the king fell ill. He wanted to listen the melodious song of the nightingale, but it didn't sing as it had stopped working. The king truly wanted to hear the bird's song, and then he heard a lovely voice of the real nightingale who was outside on a tree. And the nightingale sang for the king. After listening to it, the king felt better. At last, the nightingale take a promise that he will never put any bird in a cage, and the king promised to do so. So, dear students, the moral of the story is freedom gives us happiness. Cage is a kind of wall between you and your creativity. So, break this wall and let yourself free and fly, which will lead you to the success in life. So, I hope, dear students, this short story has been clear to you. So read this story and enjoy it.